thing is going in the microwave
My
for
brother tries to kill.
This thing's going in the microwave for 1 full minute. Here we go. There it is. Oh, whoa, whoa, that's a little big for what it is. Oh,
What crap?
oh, that's pretty big. Okay, I think that's long enough. Ta-da! We put this thing in the microwave. It got bigger all of a sudden, but I think I'm gonna put it in the microwave for a little longer. 30 more seconds. Let's watch this thing grow. It's growing. Oh my god. That is the coolest thing ever. Whoa. Man. Man, it's already bursting out bubbles. That is cool. That is cool. That's science for you. Looks like soy sauce. That's about it. Oh, man. That is cool.